Hello. In this video, you will learn how to activate the promo code when purchasing Pro and Premium plans, as well as additional disk space and live streams in Proficonf. To activate the promo code, first register or log in if you already have a Proficonf account. After authorization, you will be redirected to the Events page. Press the button Upgrade in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will take you to the Subscription Purchase page, where you can select one of the offered plans, as well as additional disk space, and the live streams, if you need additional features. After you've made your choice, press the I have a promo code button next to the Pay button. In the menu that opens, type the promo and click Redeem. The amount will be recalculated, after which click Pay to pay with discount. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.